Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a blighted ovum, also called an embryonic pregnancy. A blighted ovum is a fertilized egg that implants itself in the uterus but doesn't become an embryo. The placenta and embryonic sac form but remains empty. There is no growing baby. It is also known as anembryonic gestation or anembryonic pregnancy. It is the leading cause of early pregnancy failure or miscarriage. Often it occurs so early that you do not even know you are pregnant. You can see the uterus, cervix, and the gestational sac. But the gestational sac is empty. There is no fetal pole, no fetus visible. Anembryonic pregnancy has no embryo developing baby because a blighted ovum still makes hormones. It can also show up as a positive pregnancy test. A blighted ovum will cause a miscarriage usually at 7 to 12 weeks of pregnancy. A pregnancy is embryonic if a transvaginal ultrasound reveals a sac with the mean gestation sac diameter greater than 25 millimeter. As in this case, you can see it is 35.5 millimeter. Or more than 25 millimeter gestation sac mean diameter and no yolk sac or an mean gestation sac diameter more than 25 millimeter with no embryo. You can see in this case gestation sac is visible but no fetal pole. A blighted ovum causes about 1 out of 2 miscarriages in the first trimester of pregnancy. A miscarriage is when a pregnancy ends on its own within the first 20 weeks. When a woman becomes pregnant, the fertilized egg attaches to the uterine wall. At about 5 to 6 weeks of pregnancy, an embryo should be present. But you can see in this case, as the measurement of the gestational sac shows that the duration of pregnancy is more than 8 weeks, but no embryo or fetus is visible in the gestation sac. A blighted ovum, also called anembryonic pregnancy, occurs when early embryo never develops or stops developing, is reabsorbed, and leaves an empty gestation sac. The reason this occurs is often unknown, but it may be due to chromosomal abnormalities in the fertilized egg. The gestation sac is typically visible on a transvaginal ultrasound somewhere between 3 to 5 weeks of pregnancy. May be seen earlier with modern machines, ultrasound machines, or by the time the HCG has reached 1500 to 2000. Before that, even in a visible pregnancy, there is not going to be a visible gestation sac on an ultrasound. Doctors can diagnose a blighted ovum using an ultrasound starting at around week 7 of pregnancy. Imaging will show smaller than normal and empty gestation sac which contains no embryo. This is the ovary and this. Because a blighted ovum still makes hormones, it can show up to a positive pregnancy test. A blighted ovum will cause a miscarriage, usually 7 to 12 weeks of pregnancy. Your body realizes the pregnancy is not developing properly and starts to shed blood and tissue from the uterus. The gestation sac is a larger cavity of fluid surrounding the embryo. During early embryogenesis, it consists of the extra embryonic column, also called chorionic cavity. The gestational sac is normally contained within the uterus. One of the more common types of miscarriages known as anembryonic pregnancy with gestation sac. In the blighted ovum, a gestation sac forms and grows. However, the embryo doesn't develop. A blighted ovum is also known as anembryonic pregnancy. In the United Kingdom, the miscarriage is the loss of intrauterine gestational sac diameter greater than 25 millimeter and no yolk sac. The fetal pole is usually identified at 6.5 weeks with transabdominal ultrasound imaging and at 6 weeks with the transvaginal ultrasound imaging, although it may not be seen until 9 weeks. In some cases, when the fetal pole measures 7 millimeter or more, a fetal heartbeat should be detected. But in this case, as you can see, there is no fetal pole visible. The yolk sac is the membranous sac attached to the embryo formed by the cells of hypoplastic adjacent to the embryonic disc. This is alternatively called umbilical vesicle. Though yolk sac is more widely used in humans, the yolk sac is important in early embryonic blood supply. Now, in a follow-up ultrasound, there is no sign of fetal pole or gestational sac, which appears as a white rim around the clear center and will eventually contains amniotic fluid and enclose the developing baby. It means miscarriage had occurred. The fetal pole is the thickening of the margin of the yolk sac of a fetus during pregnancy. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.